Here's a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. Take control of any situation. With an impressive amount of different seating and storage combinations, you can carry kids, dogs, groceries, luggage, nearly anything you can think of. It comes with great features you love: auxiliary audio input, 4 12-volt power outlets, dual zone climate control, multifunction steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow & Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. Take it for a test drive today.